Hey YouTube, what's going on? I'm back at it with another video for you guys on crypto. Today I'm here with a new site called Goldem Farm. It's you're actually mining birds, and you get different payouts, variety of payouts. Excuse me. Just a few down here. You can also withdraw in Bitcoin, which I did. So when you sign up, they start you off with 300 silver tokens and one bird. With the bird, they mine eggs. You mine the eggs, you sell the eggs, and you get your payout. Basically, every day you come here, you could get a daily bonus. With the 200 silver coins they gave me, I purchased more birds. That's actually like mining power. And so far, I have 4 green birds. They start you off with 1. So I have 1 green bird. These are the different birds they have here available so far. I have laid 18 eggs. I can then cash those in and get silver, which I can then switch over for Bitcoin. So go ahead and buy birds, as you can see here. Okay, so they had a green bird, the yellow bird, the brown bird. So with this bird, I get 5 per hour. Got 4 of those, so 55, 270. Okay, 30,000 silver. Pretty cool, pretty cool. A very rare bird. Rumors has it produce money straight to your wallet to access if you need it. Have at least 1 Ruby coin. I just started, so I don't have any Ruby coins yet, guys. That's basically it right here, though. Sign up with the link in the description and mine eggs. Well, yeah. It's pretty cool. I like the concept of it. You want to join? The link will be in the description. I will gladly